the wonder of a star-dark sky, and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know that value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eye, and the beauty of an aging hands. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. Next, to believe is to find the strength and the courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Next, to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. And this poem was written by B.J. Modbizer. So now I'll be telling a short summary of this poem which we learned today. The poem A Time to Believe is an inspirational poem that tells the reader what it means to believe. The poet B.J. Modbizer uses everyday images to convey a message of positivity which would appeal to all those wishes to realize their dreams. The poet defines believing as knowing that each day is a new and full of promises and miracles will happen and dreams will come true. He continues by saying that believing means accepting that the impossible things will eventually come to pass and trusting in the plans of a creator. To believe, he says, is realizing the value of a caring heart, the innocence of a child's eye, the beauty of the experiences, as it is through this that one learns to love others selflessly. To believe also means the one must realize that there is a power which lies within each one of us which teaches us to pick up the fallen pieces of our life and rebuild it yet again. The poet adds that it's to believe to realize that life is a gift and we are never alone. He concludes the poem on a note of positivity by saying that to believe means waiting patiently in the hope that wonderful surprises will come on way as our hopes and dreams will be finally achieved. So students, this was a small recap of our poem. Hope you all have understood the poem very well.